So every now and then in the garden you might find a damaged pipe, you know, maybe an animal's chewed through it or you've put your spade through it accidentally. It happens. So the best way to fix this is to actually cut the pipe. So either side of the cut. So you'll then have two nice clean bits of pipe to start with, and use a straight joiner into one end. You have to give it a bit of a wiggle sometimes. It's quite a tight fit. Get your palm of your hand on it, butt it right up to the middle, and then do the same on the other side. Take two clips, slide them over, just over the ridge here, and just tighten them up as much as you can. And the same on this side. Again, tighten that up as much as you can, and then you should have a really good fix for your pipe.